I'm talking about modern periodic table, and this is also known as long form of periodic table. Okay, in this modern periodic table, okay, the elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic numbers, and this table was prepared by Bohr, Bohr, and is based upon the electronic configuration of elements, and that is why this modern periodic table is also known as Bohr's table. So modern periodic table consists of 18 vertical columns called the groups. It contains 18 vertical columns like this it is here, vertical columns, and they are known as the groups, and 7 horizontal rows called periods. So these groups are numbered from 1 to 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 it is now. And then in the same way the periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 it is. Okay. Now about this periodic table, the elements of group A, group 1 and 2 on the left hand, and group 13 and 18 on the right hand are called normal or representative elements. Normal or representative elements they are known as. Okay, which group elements? The group 1 and 2 in the left hand side, and group 13 and 18 on the right side. They are known as normal elements or representative elements. So elements of group 1 are called alkali metals. Okay, alkali metals, and those of group 2 are known as alkaline earth metals. Those of group 13, okay, as boron family. Okay, group 13 as a boron family. Those of group 14 as a carbon family. So okay, 13 elements are known as boron family, and group 14 known as carbon family. Those of group 15 as a nitrogen family, or they are known as nitrogen families. Okay, and group 16 are known as oxygen family, and group 17s are known as halogens. Okay, so different groups have different name. Group 1 is called alkali metals. Group 2 is called alkaline earth metals, and this is from the left hand side, and the right hand side group 13 are known as boron family, 14 are known as carbon family, 15 are known as nitrogen family, and 16 are known as oxygen family, and 17 are known as halogens. So, okay, and 18 are known as inert gases, inert or noble gases or rare gases. So there are in all 50 representative elements in the periodic table. 15 representative elements in this periodic table. Okay, the elements of groups is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are called transition elements because their properties lie in between the properties of elements of group 1 and group 2 on the left hand side, and those of groups 13 and 18 on the right hand side of the periodic table. So there are in all 40 transition elements in the periodic table. So, in the long form of periodic table, the elements have been broadly divided into metals and non-metals by the thick zigzag line, zigzag like this it is here, like this. Okay, diagonally across the periodic table. Okay, so those elements which lie on the left side of this line are metals, and those which lie on the right side of these lines are known as non-metals. However, the elements silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium, which lie along the border of this line, show the properties of both metals and non-metals. So these elements are called semi-metals or metalloids. Once again I am repeating here now. Okay, those elements which lie on the left side of this line, zigzag line, are metals, and those which lie on the right hand side of this zigzag line are known as non-metals. Okay, however, the elements like silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium, which lie along this border of this line, show the properties of both metals and non-metals. Therefore, they are known as semi-elements or metalloids.